Vineyard is really one of the most cutting-edge cities, I think, in the state.
Yeah, Vineyard's been really pushing the envelope on growth.
A company like SRT, who specializes in data collection, is very important to a city like Vineyard.
We tie together the infrastructure systems across cities, whether that be water, power, building systems, or even delivery robots.
It's what we're looking at as kind of the next evolution of the city.
The most important thing that cities can do as they're striving to become smart cities is to start from where they are. So what SRT Labs does is we help them knit together their existing technologies in meaningful ways so that they now have that technical base layer for all their data where they can layer in project on project, slowly growing this mission control center for their entire city.
We get this unique opportunity to create a brand new city, essentially from scratch, on a blank canvas in the middle of already existing development.
One of the things SRT is really going to help us with is aggregating that all together, making the information more accessible so that we can really understand how each of the things we're working on are affecting each other. Long term, we're looking at being just more sustainable in not only how we're planning today, but how we can plan for the future.
The thought process with SRT Labs is to bring all of that data into one window, basically.
We want to make sure that there's a practical and valuable application of that technology, not just to allow city managers to buy the next cool widget, but actually provide them something that can give them value, can give them insight, can give them the information they need to make decisions across their city.
Our first step towards moving towards becoming a smart city is starting where you are, tying together the systems that you have and building out the instrumentation that's going to make those systems more intelligent.